everyone, this is Youth Librarian Sarah here from the Westerville Library. I'm here to do a rhyme called Slippery Fish, which you can use at home to create that story time at home experience. This one's a lot of fun. So it goes like this. Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a pinching crab, crawling through the water. A pinching crab, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by an octopus, squiggling through the water. An octopus, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a great white shark, lurking through the water. A great white shark, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no, it's been eaten by a humongous whale, spouting through the water. A humongous whale, gulp, gulp, gulp. And our humongous whale was really full, and he said, "Burp." And that is the slippery fish. Thank you so much for joining us today. Bye.